Hey guys, how you doing? So I got a question about how tall I was. So I wanted to answer that question and then show you a little bit more about my bed. So I'm 5'6" and my boyfriend is 5'9"-ish. So I made the bed 5 feet 10 inches because I thought it would be handy to have a little bit of a shelf right here. So when I'm preparing food on that table, I can also put some things here. So this is a mallard 6-inch foam mattress. I got a full size, and then I made a template out of paper and cut it exactly to fit. So on this side, I made the bed go all the way to the door. So when I close this door, it's pretty much right up against the door. But on this side, because it has this venting area, I stopped the bed. I stopped the bed right before this point here. Also because the piece of wood was only 4 feet wide, and I wanted to make it in one piece, so that's as wide as I could make it. But it worked out good, because this is open, I don't have to worry about blankets or anything getting in the way. So you've already seen how I've got the hinges set up. So I'm not really going to talk about that. So all I did was I took it out of its case. It's 3 different sections. Cut each piece, put the template on top of all the pieces pushed together, and then cut it out and put it back in. So because I cut some off of all 3 pieces, the case is a little bit baggy. So I was worried about it separating a little bit here. So I put this little non-slip piece of material there. And I don't know if that's helping or not, but it doesn't seem to really be a problem. It separates maybe half an inch, but you really don't notice it. And I didn't want to have anything pushing on those cords, so I did cut the mattress out here, a little rectangle. So when I put the mattress back in the case, of course it's empty, but the case is still on it. I didn't want to have to cut the case and sew it and everything. So far this is working out, and if I'm on the bed and I need to see, I can lift it up enough to view what the Jackery is doing. No, so like you could even put your arm there, whatever, it's not going to matter as long as you don't put your head in there. So far I've only slept in here by myself, but prior to the setup prior to this, we both slept in here very comfortably, so I imagine this is going to be even better because it's definitely covering more area. So you can see from this angle how it's a little bit more room on this side than there is over here. So whoever's sleeping on this side has a little bit more room. But it's very comfortable. Alright, if you have any questions about it, just leave them in the comments below. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care.